Welcome back everyone, Legend here. Today we're gonna be another unboxing of Pokemon. We're gonna be opening those two beautiful things. We're gonna be starting with that one. If you want to open, there you go. We never know what we get inside. We know we do have two celebrations inside each of those little tin. So there you go. First, the coins for the games, the artwork that you need if you want all of them. Oops, wrong side. There you go. Put it aside. 1, 2, and 3. So Darkness Ablaze, the third one. The tin, we're gonna put it aside. We're gonna be opening the celebration first to see what we got in that. There you go. The promo code for the online games. We're starting with Oh, Groudon, Reshiram. Oh, there you go. And oh, Flying Pikachu V Max. Oh yeah. We're gonna be putting a sleeve for the 4 cards because they're all low. Oh yeah, that's a good hit. Flying Pikachu. I never got that one yet. It is pretty. It's Chunky Pikachu that is flying. Well, someone's gonna be jealous. That I know for sure. When you gonna see the card? There you go, Flying Pikachu right there. Now for the next celebrations. There you go. Promo code for the online games, and we're going with a Groudon, Reshiram again, Kyogre, and oh my god, it is flying time, guys. We have Flying Pikachu V and Flying Pikachu V Max. Okay, that is pretty good. That is pretty good. Right off the bat, 2 beautiful cards. I can say someone's gonna be pretty jealous. One of my friend and another YouTuber, K4Runes. I hope when you see that video, you let me a little comment. I know you're gonna do it. So now we're gonna go for Darkness Blaze. What we get in that little one? That is a good hit right off the bat we got for those 2 celebrations. Promo code for the online games. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going for Grass Energy, Azuelus, Parpitar. The card over there are the uncommon, rare card, and common card gonna be there. Pokemon Breeder Nurturing, Scovet, Spinarak, Larvesta, Hippopotas, Godet, a Golurk rare card, Holo Reverse, and ooh, I like the Lugia. It's not holo, but it's a beautiful artwork of Lugia. Nice. Gonna be putting a sleeve for the Golurk too, because you need one. There you go. And now we're gonna be opening the last tin. There you go. Bring that aside to have the full artwork in display in the back. And the little gums there. There you go. There you go. Opening it. The coins for the games. The other part of the artwork. There you go. 1, 2, and 3. The other Darkness Blaze. The tin on the side. And gonna be opening Celebration first, because always fun to see what we got in those little ones. There you go. Promo code for the online games. And we're going with Cosmoen, Dialga. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. We're having a good day today. We're flying right off the bat. We have a Luxray GL level X. Nice. That is really beautiful. And a Lunala. That is okay. Celebrations, we're having good hit with those lately. That is just perfect, guys. I really like to see all those beautiful cards. We never know what we got. That's what's fun in opening Pokemon cards. And also when you get really good hit like that. Just perfect. That's the only thing I can say right now. I wonder what we're gonna get in the other celebrations. Let's go. Promo code for the online games. And now we're going with Lugia, Zekrams, and okay guys, this is my third Chunky Pikachu. Okay, let's go. A Chunky Boy again. It's Chunky Boy. Today it's Pikachu Day, it seems. Or maybe I should say Lightning Time Day, because it's only full art of Lightning Pokemon I got. Oh yeah, that is really good. There you go. And now for the Darkness Ablaze. Oops, you broken. That part broke, so there you go. There you go. Promo code for the online games. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Water Energy. Simisear. Dog Trio. Rare Fossil. First time I see that card. Carablast. Meltan. Mariani. Purloin. Starly. Dracozolt, Holo Reverse, and Gothitelle. Rare, but not Holo. And there you go, Dracozolt. So, the hit we got today: Dracozolt, Gothitelle, Chunky Pikachu, Lugia, Zekrom, Luxray GL Level X, Cosmoen, Dialga, Lunala, Golurk, Lugia, Groudon, Reshiram, Kyogre, Flying Pikachu V, Flying Pikachu VMAX, Reshiram, Groudon, and So I hope you enjoyed the video and see you all next time.